Hey guys, today we're going to be putting on the screen protector glass on our Tesla Model 3 2023. It can also be used for the Model Y. So first thing you're going to want to do is go to the settings, go to display, and turn on screen clean mode.
Okay.
So after putting the screen in screen cleaning mode, you're going to want to grab this, which is going to be the wipes, like the accessories. So after getting the wipes, you're just going to want to use the wipes.
So we're going to use the wet wipes first. And we need to clean it properly. Then we're going to use the dry wipes.
Then you're going to want to use the tape to get rid of like tiny bits of dirt on the screen. Now to make sure that when we put the screen protector it's in place, you're going to want to use these screen retainers. So you want to stick them onto the screen to align the screen protector itself. Make sure to remove the plastic, that's the paper that's on the retainers themselves. So now we have the screen retainers on each side, on each edge. So once you've taken the screen protector itself out of its foam, you're going to want to make sure that this little label here is facing the top left corner, and this is pointing up. And now with the screen retainers you can tell that it's in place, so you can remove that label now. Now you're going to make sure that the sticky side is on and aligned with the screen. And then, once it's aligned, you're going to want to press on the screen so you can get it to stick on.
The center.
Now we want to remove these retainers one by one. Make sure to start from the top and go around clockwise. You want to wait about 5 to 10 seconds after removing each retainer so you can let the adhesive stick onto the screen itself. Now I want to remove the next one. Notice how you can see it kind of stick towards the edge. Wait a minute. Wait until it's stopped there. And then you're going to want to remove the last one right about now. Bam. Now using that little card sort of thing, you want to just wipe off the screen protector itself. Get it clean. And then just wipe it off with the cloth.
That's it.
And after that, that's over. Then we can exit screen cleaning mode.